Right, I'm just making a quick video. I'm outside the Homebase store in Sleaford and I'm just going to have a look round. This will be the same all over the country, how much discount they're doing. I recently visited the Stamford store and they're only doing like 10%, but let's just see whether there's any bargains to be had. Now, I'd say the first thing, look, Christmas trees. These are cheap. Oh, look at this, look, these are cheap. A cut Christmas tree, they're worth 39 quid and they're £11.70, so that's a bit of a bargain, isn't it, if you want a Christmas tree. That's alright, so maybe there is some more bargains, but I'll have a look in the store and we'll see what we can find. So the majority of the stuff is 10% off. So like the coloured emulsion, look, 2.5 litre tin, 15 quid, 10% off. So it's not really much of a bargain, I would say. Big heavy duty tool trunks, look, again, 10% off. £21.60, should have been 24 quid. Again, not much of a bargain. What I noticed was a lot of the stuff hasn't got the prices on. So like these bins and things like that, look, there will be 10% off them, but they're not telling you that sort of thing. We got like some mini heaters, look, 25% off. They should have been 30 quid, £22.50. Oil-filled radiators, look, again, they're 25% off. That should have been 65 and they're 48.75. I'd be careful because I know, like a lot of the stuff, when you look at the prices of stuff in like Toolstation and Screwfix, you know, the price Homebase was dear in the first place, so it's probably the same price as what it is in Screwfix or Toolstation. Do you know what I mean? I was interested in buying some tiles. That's what I was interested in buying. Sorry. But yeah, the tiles again, look, the tiles, 25% off, so £16.20 for them, look.
Awesome, but we are done.
I suppose it's a bit of a saving if you're buying like loads of them, do you know what I mean? But yeah, things like the tiles seem to be reduced. Look, so these aren't bad. Look, they were 18 quid and they're now 10 quid a pack. Look, for them. So, you know, maybe if you do have a good old look round, maybe there is a few bargains to be had.
Yeah, the bigger they are, the more the cost.
More tiles, look. This is the kind of thing that I was after. You see, look, they would have been £20 a pack, and they're £16 a pack. For them. The old, I think they're 600 by 300. Oh, you got some Ron Steel fence life, look. 30% off. Should have been 18 quid, £13.60. Now I've bought some of that recently from Tool Station. It was on offer, and I reckon I was paying £10 something, £10.60. So that's even cheaper than that, yeah. Laminate flooring, look, 20% off. So a pack, £32 and 2p. 20% off. So yeah, a lot of the stuff is sort of like 20% or 10% off. I think you get 10% off everything in the store, I think. Oh look, sockets and switches, 50% off. So that's not bad, is it? That's not bad. So yeah, you know, the tools, 10% off all the tools. Look. So look, angle grinder, you're going to get 10% off that. £4.50. Let's just see if we can find anything that's got a bigger markup off. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Look, you know, look, decorators corking. Look, £1.45, £1.31. It's not much of a saving, is it? It's pretty poor, that. But yeah, we'll have a look, see if there's any bigger items. A few chairs, look. 30% off, £87.50. We'll have a look upstairs, see what's upstairs. You know, I suppose the thing is, if you want some kitchen chairs or something like that, look, 30% off. Were 55, now 38.50. Kitchen chairs. There's a few sort of bedroom units. Look, the unit there should have been 195, now 136. Look, one here, look, 200, which should have been 295, and now it's 206. So that's a, you know, fair old saving. Seems fairly solid. Electric showers. Look, you can get 20% off electric showers. Should have been 200. Gainsborough electric shower down to 160. Triton showers, 150 down to 120. So if you need a shower, you know, maybe there is some bargains to be had. Do you know what I mean? The taps. Oh yeah, the taps. Look, 25% off. The taps. I'll tell you what, there's a lot more stock. I went to the Stamford Homebase, and everything had gone, you know, like the taps and a lot of the lighting, everything had gone. It was reduced quite a lot. But this Sleaford store, there's more stuff left. Like you can see, it is clearing. People are taking the stuff. But, you know, like all these lights in the Stamford store had all gone. You know. So, yeah, look, so 30% off a light, look. Should have been 40 down to 28. So, yeah, I think there maybe is some bargains to be had. You've just got to sort of hunt them out. Got all these nice wicker shades, look. 20% off, should have been 75 down to 60. I think the appliances, they don't seem to be telling you anything, you know, whether they're reducing cookers or extractors or kitchens, we don't really know. But we'll go back downstairs, just have one more look, and then I'll stop the video. Oh, we got a little 2-seat sofa, look, 30% off. So from 295 down to 206.50. Oh, a nice little kitchen set. Look, 30% off. 195 down to 136.50. So yeah, so it's not, you know, it's not, I don't think it's too bad.
Yeah, no bother.
Oh, 40%. So this is more like it. Look, if you need replacement handles, 40% off door handles. That is a bargain. But I guess the problem would be buying. You know, if you need to do a whole house and you need 10, you're maybe going to struggle. Do you know what I mean? There's that style there. Look, like that. 22 quid plus 40%, and they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've got 6. So I suppose you could risk it, buy 6, and then have a look around another store. Do you know what I mean? But yeah. Oh, they've got these Stanley toolboxes. Look. See, look, only 10% off. Should have been 42. And they're 37.80. Right, that's all I'm going to do. I hope you found that interesting. That's the closing down of Sleaford store, Homebase in Lincolnshire. Just to give you some idea of the discounts. Okay, cheers, bye.